Hey guys, it's Scott from Icon Vehicle Dynamics here, and today we're going to talk about all the different stages that we offer for our many different suspension systems. The whole philosophy behind the Icon stage is to provide different combinations of parts that work well together to meet different levels of desired performance and to meet different budgets. For some vehicle applications, we offer multiple different lift heights. The same philosophy for the stages applies to those as well, just with a different lift height range. One of the questions that we get asked all the time is, what Icon stage should I buy? Well, the answer to that question will really depend on a few different factors, ranging from the build budget that you're working with to the intended use of the vehicle. But no matter what, we can get you dialed in with a stage that's going to work right for you. The lower stages are meant to be geared more towards a primarily street-driven truck, but can also still handle some light-duty off-road use from time to time. These entry-level stages are intended for the budget-minded enthusiast and come with the basics of the system that allow it to be installed onto the vehicle, gain some lift height while improving the suspension performance. As we start to increase in stages, you'll see other features added into the system, such as shock reservoirs or larger diameter shocks to complement coilovers, upper control arms, links to correct alignment and aid in articulation. All of these sort of components are going to improve the off-road capability of the vehicle while maintaining good, predictable on-road handling and ride quality. For drivers pushing the limits of the vehicle and suspension overall, the upper stages will have the components and features that allow the suspension to endure aggressive off-road driving. Additionally, if you already have a lower stage, you can buy the components from the upper stages individually to build up to the higher stages piece by piece over time. Already have a set of 2.5 series shocks? Well, many of them can be upgraded to include remote reservoirs and CDC valves without having to buy entire new units. Just contact your local authorized service center for information. We know it can sometimes be confusing to identify the differences in one stage to another. Just pay close attention to the product photo and check out the list of included components on each stage's webpage.